When you find yourself on a first date with no chemistry, it is important to handle the situation in a socially acceptable way. Instead of immediately canceling the date, it is best to be polite and try to have a good time. Remember that not feeling a spark on a first date is not the end of the world, as it is not possible to have chemistry with everyone. Use the opportunity to make a new friend by getting to know the person and asking questions about their interests, hobbies, and goals. If the date is not going well, suggest going for a walk to make the situation less awkward. To make the conversation more interesting, ask some unexpected questions or propose a debate on a controversial issue. If you are not interested in pursuing a romantic relationship, let the person know in a kind way. You can suggest becoming friends if you think it is a possibility. However, be aware that this may not always be well received. If the other person expresses interest in a second date, politely decline and be clear about your decision. Remember to check for signs of chemistry and trust your instincts.